Every child deserves a healthy, confident smile. But did you know that early childhood caries remains one of the most common chronic diseases among young children worldwide? Many parents only notice tooth decay when it's already too late, when cavities cause pain, infection, and costly dental visits. Traditional diagnostic methods rely on visual and radiographic examinations. But for children, this can be invasive, stressful, and often inaccurate in detecting early-stage caries. What if we could detect caries before cavities appear using just a drop of saliva? Let's go and see dentist. It's been 6 months.
No, I don't want to see dentist. I'm scared.
These are the common scenarios faced by parents whenever it's time for dental visits. This project aims to develop a saliva-based test kit to detect early signs of dental caries in children. Second, identify key salivary biomarkers linked to caries activity. And third, create a simple, cost-effective tool for use in clinics, schools, and community dental programs. We collected saliva samples from caries-active and caries-free children. Using protein analysis techniques such as Western blot and ELISA, we identified specific salivary proteins which include staterin, lactoferrin, lysozyme, and salivary immunoglobulin A that differ significantly between two groups. This kit is based on our research on salivary proteins and microbiome profiles in caries-active and caries-free children. We found that certain salivary proteins like staterin, lysozyme, and lactoferrin show distinctive patterns in children with early caries. By integrating these biomarkers into a simple, color-based detection system, this kit provides quick, accurate, and child-friendly results. This kit is a non-invasive kit with simple and quick procedures. The child only needs to provide a small saliva sample into a collection tube. Then, the sample is applied to the test strip containing protein indicators, and within minutes, the kit will display a color change indicating whether early caries activity is present. No needles, no drills, just saliva. This project contributes to preventive dentistry by offering an early warning tool for dental caries. It supports parents, dentists, and educators in promoting oral health awareness. The kit can be used in school screenings, mobile dental units, and community clinics, especially in rural areas. This saliva test kit has high commercialization potential due to its simplicity, affordability, and scalability. It can be marketed to dental clinics, kindergartens, and public health programs as a preventive diagnostic tool. The estimated cost per test is low, making it viable for mass screening and public health initiatives. In conclusion, the saliva test kit bridged oral biology research with real-world application, transforming how we detect and prevent dental caries in children. With this innovation, we move one step closer to a future where every child can smile without pain.